This is how to insert the 7 basic charts in Excel. Starting with clustered column, we're going to select our data, insert clustered column. This is great for something like sales by region. I'm going to copy and paste my title. Any format changes I do on this one are the same on all of the charts as far as how you do them. I'm going to right click and change the gap width so that the column is wider. Then I want to change the colors. I'd rather go with something like shades of blue other than the default. So you can select those, and then let's add numbers to our actual chart. So we're going to add the data labels on each of these by just right-clicking and add data labels. Looks good. Next up is the line chart. Let's select our data, go up to Insert a Line Chart, and sometimes you're going to run into where you'll see something like Series 1 and Series 2, so I'm going to show you how you can handle that. We're going to right-click, and let's go to Series Data, and we're going to edit that Series 1 to 2023, and then you can select the arrow and make sure it's selecting the proper column. Let's do the same thing with Series 2. We're going to edit this, 2024. It's already selected data. Let's just verify it's correct. Hit OK, and there's our line chart. To insert a pie chart, let's select our data, go up to Insert Pie Chart. This one's pretty straightforward. You can right-click and add data labels here, or you could right-click and change the colors, whatever you'd like to do. Next is the clustered bar chart. This is going to be the horizontal bars. So we're going to select our data, go up to the 2D bar, and then let's, again, insert our title. So we're going to copy and paste, and then close this window. And let's say we want to change the colors, so we can right-click on each of these. We'll go with shades of gray this time. So let's go with a medium gray, and then this bottom one will be a lighter gray by right-clicking and selecting a light gray. This one looks good. Moving on to the scatter chart, we're going to select data, go up to Insert, choose the scatter. This is great when you've got something like ad spend and sales. So we're going to resize and move this, and then I'm going to show you how you could change the axis on the left. Let's say you know you've got higher values that you're going to be adding, so you might want to change this so it can accommodate properly. So let's keep minimum at 0 and let's change our maximum. And you'll notice now on the left, your values have gone up. Looks great. A combo chart is great for something like sales and profit. So let's insert that combo chart after we select our data, and again with the title. And then you can see you've got your sales by month in blue and the profit was the orange line. Last but not least, let's do the bubble chart. Insert bubble chart. This is great for something like 3 separate items where it's sales, profit, market size. So I'm going to right click here to insert our data labels, and I want to change these. So this is how you do it. Let's select value from cells, because let's say we want ABCD, not what it actually came up with by default. Let's uncheck Y, and now we're going to center those labels, and now you've got exactly what you needed.